Ginger Bratzel from New Patient Attraction Automation and the author of the book, The Secrets of Creating a Prosperous Dental Practice. And as always, we're here to share big picture thinking, tips, and strategies to help you get more patients, keep more patients, and create sustainable growth. And today I want to talk to you about the patients you already have. The number one request and the number one topic when I interview doctors and I survey dentists, the things that they're looking for is about getting more patients, getting new patients. But what about the patients you already have? Unless you just started yesterday, you have an existing patient pool. And everyone is very quick to abandon them and want to move all their energies and resources and time and focus to new patients. But you spent a huge amount of money to get them as patients. You've already invested in them. You've already started conversations. If they have not accepted treatment, you started that conversation. And I have a really big picture, going to blow your mind idea here. Are you ready? You sitting down? If you don't follow up with them and you've introduced treatment, they're going to go to someone else and have it done. So why not keep them in your pool? Why not? You've already done the effort. You've already introduced everything. Why not keep them there and make sure they don't leave? Because they're going to have it done at some point. Make sure it's you who does it. So what do you need to do? You need to build a fence around your patient pool. I grew up on ranches. I grew up with farmers. We are very conscious of protecting our resources there, and for a lot of people that's their herd, their herds. So I want you to guard your herds. So you put a fence around it. You put a watchdog on it. You get on horseback with a rifle and you ride around it because you don't want anyone wandering out. You want to keep every person, every member of your herd intact because you've already invested all this time in development and the relationship and growing that what you have as far as connection, that human part of them. So keep them there. So people forget about the things that you need to do. I get resistance all the time about being newsletters being a waste, printed newsletters being a waste of money. Well, that is a monthly reminder that you are their dentist, that they have a relationship with you. And that has to continue. It's not a waste of time. It is that watchdog that is circling around so you don't have to get on horseback and ride around. That watchdog is doing the work for you. It's part of your fence to keep them in. Patient appreciation events, opportunities to bring them in for new information. If you're doing a promotion for something else, you promote it to your existing patients too. You don't forget about them. You keep them always in the forefront. They make them feel valued. And so when they're ready, and they will be, like I said, at some point, they're going to spend their money. You want them to spend it with you because you've already started the relationship. So don't have a churn and burn practice. I don't know how many practices we'll go through and they'll tell me how many new patients they have a month. And then I go look at the patient pool. They have got just as many people walking out the door. Close the back door. Keep them in. Close your herd up, your fence up, and keep your herd intact because that is one of your most precious resources because if you need to go and grow your practice, that's who you're going to go to first because they're most likely to say yes because you have a relationship with them. Don't forget about your existing patients. This is Ginger Bratzel. I hope to see you at a live event soon, a workshop. If you have questions about the Mastermind program, feel free to contact us too at results@gingerbratzel.com and we can give you more information about the Mastermind program where we talk about strategies and ideas and proven techniques on keeping your herd intact because that's what we're all about. Until next time, take care and bye-bye.